friends, myself Khushbu Kapoor. Welcome to my channel Exotic Chemistry, where the mission is not only 100% marks but also 100% knowledge. Friends, in my previous video of matter, I had explained you that what is matter, where I had told you very interesting example also. And the definition of matter that I had explained you is anything that has mass and occupies space is matter. Now, in my today's video, I'll explain you the particulate nature that matter is made up of very small particles. Means whatever is the matter, it is made up of extremely small particles, and this we are able to understand with the activity. What is that activity? Let's start with that activity. That matter is made up of very small, or you can say a tiny particles. Okay, let's start. Matter is made up of tiny particles. This we are going to understand with an activity. What is that activity? This activity, then we are going to have the beaker, okay, or you can say any vessel, which we have the, suppose we are adding 50 ml of water, okay, 50 ml water. In this 50 ml water, we have added 2 tablespoons of sugar, okay. What we have done, nothing, we have taken one glass, or we can have taken one beaker, and in that beaker we have taken 50 ml of water, and in that water we have added 2 tablespoons of sugar, okay. Now stir the contents of the beaker, stir contents of beaker. What is that? Dissolve this sugar which you are going to add in this glass, okay. Afterwards, what you are going to understand is, what you are going to observe is the sugar crystals dissolves in water. This sugar crystal completely dissolves in water, but there is no rise in the level of water. No rise in level of water. Why? What is the reason? When you are going to add something, then there should be the rise in level of that particular liquid. But in this case, the sugar crystal which are bigger in size, they get dissolved in this water which is present in the beaker. But there is no rise in the water. What is the reason? The sugar molecules which are broken down into smaller pieces, they occupies the space. They occupies the space present in matter, that is water, okay. There is an empty space, there is a lot of space between the water, and hence the sugar crystal occupies those empty spaces which are present in the water, and because of that reason the level of the water will not rise. But when we are going to taste it, it will taste sweet. You know that about, means I am keeping the glass, I am going to tell you if sugar is present there. You are not able to identify. Reason why you are not able to identify? Because there is no rise, that I have added something. How do you come to know without tasting it? Because the sugar crystals or the salt, if you are, suppose in place of sugar you are taking the salt, means either any salt you are going to add, those particular salt will occupy the spaces which is present in the water, fine, and hence that is the reason then the level of the water will not rise. Fine, and hence we can conclude that matter is made up of very small particles, thus are occupying the space which is present in the matter, and this activity clearly indicates that matter is made up of very small particles. In another example, I can tell you that there is a one salt, potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate is basically purple color salt which when added to water it gives pink color. So what I had done, what we can do is we can take one glass, and in that glass we have taken 50 ml of water. In that we can add KMnO4 salt. Don't stir the solution. Okay, don't mix it. But later on, what you are going to identify, the whole solution will turn pink after some time. This means that the potassium permanganate crystal will occupy the spaces which is present in the water, and hence we can conclude that matter is made up of extremely small particles. Okay. So with the help of this activity, we can easily conclude. It is normally asked in the exam, how can you prove that matter is made up of very small particle? You have to prove with an activity. So with this activity, you can easily identify, you can easily tell that matter is made up of very small particles. So I hope you have understood this activity. If you have any query, don't forget to write in the comment section. Please like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.